Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to create bookmark in Microsoft Edge. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Let's get started. So you have a favorite website and you want to save it for future visits. That is, make a bookmark. For this task, I choose the main page of my YouTube channel. As you can see on the right side of the address bar, there is such an asterisk. This is the bookmark. Click on it. The bookmarks menu has opened. Here we can agree with the name of the bookmark or enter our own name. Next, select where the bookmark will be saved. In the favorites bar folder, that is, the bookmark will be immediately shown under the address bar, or the bookmark will be in the other favorites folder. If we select the more option, then in the window that opens, we will additionally be able to change the URL of the bookmark as well as create new folders for bookmarks if you have a lot of them. Okay, let's save the bookmark in the favorites bar. Click Save. And nothing happened. Our bookmark is nowhere to be found. And that's because the favorites bar is hidden by default. Let's put it on the screen. Click this asterisk sign in the upper right corner of the browser. If you don't have this icon, then enter the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-O and select Favorites in the window that opens. So the tab with all bookmarks has opened. Here we click Show Favorites bar, select Always, and the bookmarks bar has appeared under the address bar. Alternatively, we can show the favorites bar using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-Shift-V. Additionally, in this tab, we can create bookmarks for websites and folder for these bookmarks. Click Add Favorite and enter the name and URL of the web page. And it's even easier to create a folder. Click Add Folder, enter the folder name and click Save. To change the storage location of a folder or bookmark, hold down the left mouse button over the bookmark or folder and move it to any folder. When the folder is selected, release the mouse button. And to delete a bookmark, we can do it here on the Favorites tab by clicking on the cross next to the bookmark or folder, or on the Favorites bar itself by simply right-clicking on the appropriate bookmark or folder and selecting Delete. That's all. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.